Turn right onto Canifax Road, then turn right.
Where's the stop sign at? Thanks. I thought the stop sign was right here, but it's not. It's up here. Huh? I look pretty. We're going to get a refrigerator for the Winnebago. We're going to get a refrigerator for the Bago. We're going on an adventure to get a refrigerator. I have no clue. And what's really cool is these shelves right here. They were in our Winnebago. No, they're not broke. There was no fridge. They took the shelves out. And come here, guys. We're right over here. Brody. He knows what he's doing though. We got the refrigerator. Not sure if it's gonna work, but we'll find out. Might end up listing it for sale. I think it works, but I'm not sure. I think our measurements were off. So we got it anyways. We'll see what happens. Kids had a blast. Weldon got to ride on the tractor. That was cool. People we bought it from were awesome. Super nice folks. And we're headed to eat lunch at Burger King because that's what Loretta wants. So here she is in all her glory. I'm not sure if it works or if it's even going to work in the Winnebago, but thanks for coming along with us. We had a blast.